Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to animate a still image in DesignBeast, which is a 6-in-1 graphic and design animation suite. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch my review video to learn more. So I'm logged into my DesignBeast account. I'm in the dashboard area. Let me scroll down. We're going to use the 3D Live Motion Photos app. I'll click on this blue arrow button to open the app. You'll see these two options. I'm going to choose the live motion photos. And in this step, you need to upload your image. You can drag and drop your image into this box. You can also use the stock images from Pixabay and Pexels, or you can use this button to upload your own image. And that's what I'm going to do. I'll choose my image and click open. So here is the uploaded image. You can choose various video dimensions. The default is landscape. You have square, vertical, and free crop. I'm going to choose landscape and accordingly drag and adjust the crop tool like so. Next, I'll click proceed. It will process the image and bring us to this screen. This is the preview section. And in this left side toolbar, there are two main options. I'll be focusing more on this top section in this tutorial. Using this button, you can draw the direction of the animation. These are pinpoints, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. And here's where you can adjust the speed of the animation. So let me choose the Draw Direction button. And this is how you draw the direction of the animation by placing these red arrows on the image, like so. So what we have here is one set of arrows. You can click on an arrow to adjust the rotation and resize it, like so. Now I'll go ahead and draw some of the direction arrows so as to cover the whole image, like so. Like I showed you earlier, you can go back and adjust the arrows if you need to. Let's do a quick preview to see what the animation looks like. If you notice, it animated the whole image. So now let me show you how to use these pinpoints. I'll select the pinpoint option. And now I can place little yellow circles, like so, around the center, so it surrounds the whole center. As you can see, this is taking shape slowly but surely. Let's take another quick preview to see what it looks like. If you notice, now the center of the image is stationary. Let me adjust the speed from 1 to 2 using the slider. And let's take another quick preview of the animated image. So that looks pretty good to me. In this section down below, you can add text, images. You can use the delete button to delete specific elements in the preview section. You can reset the image, which will clear everything. And finally, this more effects option allows you to add animated overlays like snow, hearts, confetti, fire, etc. And I'll be creating a separate tutorial to show you how to use this option. Let's go back to our project. So once you're done, you can use the export button in the top right corner to export an MP4 video. You can adjust the duration. I'll go with 15 seconds and click download video. It will begin the download process. This particular project rendered in about 2 minutes. And once it's complete, you'll see this confirmation with a preview dialog box. And here's how the animated still image came out. This, of course, is just a basic version. DesignBeast is available at a special low one-time price during launch. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.